Hi, and welcome to Market Conversations. Today, just want to do a quick video on support.com. Ticker symbol is SPRT. It closed at 1970. It was up 41%, and after hours, it's up to 28.20. It reached a high of, 29.80. So I'm currently in this stock right now, and we'll take a look at a daily chart. We can see that it started to pick up momentum about a month ago, and it's been running very hot in the last few days. The RSI is currently at 80, meaning it's extremely overbought, but people are still buying into this stock. What's going on with support.com stock today? It's surging higher in Thursday's after-hours session on abnormally high volume. The average session volume is about 8.5 million. The trading volume for Thursday's session exceeded 100 million. Let's take a look at this. Could support.com get squeezed to the moon? So this was actually dated August 23rd. Let's just take a look. So a while back, they had announced a reverse merger with Bitcoin miner Greenidge Generation Holdings back in March, and the merger is expected to be completed in the third quarter. So this stock was only trading around $4.27 back on July 14, and since then the stock has more than tripled. But some experts believe the short squeeze may be just getting started. On Friday, S3 Partners analysts pointed out the huge short interest in support.com and the ballooning fees short sellers are paying to maintain their positions. He stated support.com now has 6.44 million shares held short, or about 64.5% of its float. Short sellers are now down $32 million on their support.com short bets so far, and they are paying a 75.3% on their short bets. Vortex also identified support.com as one of its 8 top short squeeze candidates in the markets back in July. Former hedge fund said the latest S3 numbers suggest short sellers are fighting hard to keep support.com from gaining more bullish momentum. Whoever is short the stock is putting up a good fight, but at some point the tide will turn. You'll get rolled over like a high school kid trying to tackle Derrick Henry. Let's take a look at this daily chart. So right now, it went down a little bit. I do believe that if this momentum continues tomorrow and the volume is as much as today, we can definitely see this past 30. Earlier today, I noticed that the IV was extremely high. So when a stock has a huge move up or down, the IV will increase. So right now it's at 300%. So I saw that and I decided to sell some puts. So I have strike price of 6 and strike price of 7.5. So this is a 6 strike price. I received $25 and I sold 5 of those. And then this one, 7.5 strike price, and I sold 3 of these. So what this means is if SPRT goes down to 750, then I would have to buy 100 shares at 750, which is fine because I don't mind owning shares at that price. But the problem was I sold a naked call today, and this was the highest strike price. So they only go up to 30. I'm assuming that tomorrow there will be more strike prices. And I sold only one naked call just because I had a very bad experience with naked calls. Back on June 2nd, my portfolio was liquidated, and that's only because I over leveraged on AMC naked calls. So if I had only sold a few naked calls, I would have been fine. But I was able to sell over 100 naked calls, various strike price, various expiration dates, causing me to liquidate my portfolio because my portfolio couldn't handle the loss. As the stock goes up and we're shorting it, we will be in a negative. And there was a gamma squeeze on June 2nd. AMC went up over 100%. Not sure what SPRT is going to do in the next couple days or tomorrow. So I noticed that I didn't have shares. I just sold one naked call. This was a 30 strike price. I received $345 for this. And I noticed that after hours, it was going up past $20. And next thing you know, it's like 22, 23, 24, 25. So I decided to just buy 100 shares to turn it into a cover call, just in case. Because I don't know how high this can go. If it goes to 50, then I would be down a lot of money. Versus if I just buy 100 shares, at least now I'm covered. To be on the safe side, buy 100 shares. You can see I've been in and out of this stock after hours because I was so scared. I had a bad experience. I shouldn't have sold a naked call, knowing that the highs was a 30 strike price and it was only 10 points away. So you can see that there's a slight sell-off. So it closed at 27.12 after hours. So there's no more after hours trading. We're just going to have to see what tomorrow is like. So the most I can lose on these shares is 2,800. But with a naked call, if I didn't buy the shares, is unlimited risk. This was an example of a short squeeze that happened. Look at this. This was insane. This was only trading around $10. And then it went from 30 to 79 in one day. And then the price is now around 17. So it usually doesn't last because the RSI is over 80. We see that RSI is over 80. So it's not sustainable. Just like when a stock is oversold, it usually has a quick bounce. Let me know if you guys are in this, and check out my Discord. Just trying to find like-minded people like myself who's trying to make money in the stock market or trying to rebuild their portfolio. Hope to see you there.